Let us try to understand the given set. It has written that one reputed institute in Merchant Navy, IMA, provides training in three areas, which are cabin crew, C, harbor and ocean engineering, H, logistic and supply chain management, L. These are the three courses IMA is providing. It offers to enroll in one or more areas. Currently, it has an enrollment of 119 total students, each of whom is enrolled in at least one of the three courses. Following details that we can find. So basically, as per our three courses details and their problem solving is a requirement. For that, let me draw. So let's say these are the three courses. And these three courses I am considering as C, cabin crew, H, and L. Now let us try to go on fitting data one by one. Number of students enrolled only in L is double. Only in L is double the number of students enrolled in all the three. So only in L, it is double all the three. If I am considering all the three is G, then it would be 2G that I can write. This is our first statement considered. Go to the second statement. There are a total of 47 students enrolled in C. It is okay. In C, it is 47 that is written total. Next one, the number of students enrolled only in C is 1 less than the number of students enrolled only in L. So that is that the time it is the 2G minus 1. 2G minus 1. 1 less. The number of students enrolled only in H. Only in H. This one is equal to the number of students who are enrolled in both H and L. Both H and L, these two are equal. Or Ekbar, the number of students enrolled only in H is equal to the number of students who are enrolled in both H and L. Achha, both H and L, if you take, then it would be all three plus H and L only. So if I consider this is F, these would be G plus F, because these two are both H and L. Now the fifth one, the maximum student enrolled in L. L is maximum, that means this part maximum. "20 students enrolled in C are also enrolled in at least one more course." At least one more course means these three taken. So let me consider that this is D and this is E, and it has mentioned that these three courses taken together, it is considered as what I can write, it is 20. This is 20, these three. Acha, now I can make some calculation, because this is 2G minus 1 is 20 less than 47, so that means 27. So I can write 2G minus 1 is equal to 47 minus 20, 27. So 2G is equal to 28, G is equal to 14. So this part I can write crossover, it is 27. Clear? G is 14. So it is 28. It is 14. This is 14 plus F. 14 plus F. Achha, these 320, that means D plus E. D plus E, that would be equal to 6. Achha. One variable F, that also I can find it out because the total of these three, it is 119. So can I write 119 equal to total C 47, then extra add it up, 14 plus F plus F plus, acha, writing 28, I have written 2G. It need to be 2G is equal to 28. So plus 28. Let us calculate to get the value of F. 47, 14, 28. That means 32, 42, 42 plus 47, 89, 89, 20. That means F is equal to 20 by 2, 10. F is equal to 10. So we got again another data. Oh, sorry, calculation mistake. This is 2F is 30. So F is equal to 15. So F is equal to 15. This one 15. This one 29. 15, 29, 28. Let me go on deleting this part. G plus F I have deleted. F deleted. Data we have received. This is data received. Data received. This is also removed. So only one variable D and E, it remain, and some of them is equal to D plus E is equal to 6. So my these data, it remain. Rest others all we have solved, removing. I want to go to the question now. Now, first question: what is minimum number of students enrolled in both C and L but not H? C and L but not H. That means the question is nothing but E minimum is how much? Both C and L but not H. E minimum is how much? That is the question. Now we know to solve it, one of the point that has not been taken under consideration that I have to do. Maximum number of students enrolled in L. So that means L total value will be more than C total value, will be more than H total value. So if I take it out, L total value, what it is, 28 plus 14, that means 32, 42, 42 plus 15, that means 47, 57. 57 plus E, this is the total value of L, which need to be greater than C means 47. It is one data. Another is 57 plus E need to be greater than H. What is H total? 29, 29, 58, 58D. 58 plus D. I can take here also D, but not required because it is total L is greater than total C. 47 I have written. So basically E is less than 10 here. E is less than 10, but D total is 6. So this is not giving me any kinds of information, new information. Let me go into these. E E is greater than D plus 1. E is greater than D plus 1. If you take both are 3, that would not be, then D would be less than 3. So D value is less than 3 means 2, 1 and 0. These are the possible 3 value, and value of E would be in this time, as sum is 6, so it is 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. These are the values of E. What is the minimum number of students enrolled both C and L? So minimum would be then 4. So my answer for this question, option question number 1, it would be 4. Let's get question number 2. If the number of students enrolled in H and L are in the ratio of 60 to 61, total H and total L 60 to 61, then what is the number of students enrolled in C but not H? C but not H, that means 27 plus E, that I need to find. So here it is 27 plus E is how much is the question, and HL ratio it has given. What is H? H part, if I add the given data, it is 58. So 58 plus D is H, and L means 29, that means 57. 57 plus E, and this is given 60 by 61. So I can see it should be 2, and at that time this would be 4. 2, 4 combination it is. That means D is equal to 2 and E is equal to 4. So 27 plus E is equal to 27 plus 4, that is 31. Option A is my answer for second question. Now let us get into this question number 3, where some additional information given of the given set. Due to academic pressure, students who were enrolled in all three courses, that means this given 14, these one, all three courses, they were asked to withdraw from one of the three courses. That means they are actually enrolled in all three, and from that one of the course they need to leave, so they would remain in two courses. And if it is happening, then actually from here some students can go into that, some to these and some to these, because after withdrawal of one of the course, they will go into the exactly two courses. That's way the entire thing it can happen. After the withdrawal, what happened after the withdrawal? The number of students enrolled in C was 6 less than the number of students enrolled in L. C, total C is 6 less, while the number of students enrolled in H went down by 1. This scenario that we need to satisfy. And after the withdrawal, how many students were enrolled in both C and H? Both C and H, that means the segment D along with that, how much that has been shifted, I need to find. And in the zone of all three, it is 0 at that time. So definitely the newcomer in this zone I need to find. Now we can do something. We can assume some of the values for solving it. Let me take out the concept that there, as it has said that after the withdrawal there are two things mentioned. One is 6 less than the number of enrolled at L, another is H went down by 1. If you can think of it, the people those who are going to that segment, D segment, or the people those who are going to this 15 segment, it is not a reduction of the number of H, but number of H reduction is the people those who are going to this E segment. And it has said that one reduction is happening. So definitely from here 1 it will shift. So E plus 1 is the new data in this zone. As 1 it is coming down. But I know that all 14 need to move in this 3 zone. 1 is here. So 2 of them will go here. Let me assume that here X number of people are moving. So in this zone, it would be 13 minus X because total is 14. So 15 plus 13 minus X. It is coming from the all 3 zones that I have assumed. And two conditions. Condition number 1, C less than the number of students enrolled in L by H by 6, and the H coming down by 1, that I need to consider. H coming down by 1 already considered. Now C was 6 less than, C was 6 less than, that I need to find it out. What is the value of 6? C initially it was 47. So 47, and how much is going from C segment? That value is coming down by C. That is 13 minus X is going down. So from 47, if I subtract 13 minus X, that is the new value of C. It is C new plus 6 will be equal to L new, that I need to find. And here C new is this. So with that I need to add 6 plus 6, and that would be L new I need to find. How L new? L new is from here, the segment is going here is D, in the segment going here X. But initially it was the total number. From that X is going on. And in the total number also one variable E present. So what I can find, initial data of L minus X I can write. Initial data of L minus X is the L new. What is the initial data? 29 plus 28. That means it is coming at 57. 57 plus E. It was the initial data of L. Now from that, what is happening? Sum is coming down. How much coming down? That is X is coming down. So minus X, that I need to find. Here I will be able to get a new relation, because this is C new. What I can say in this case, C new is this much, L new is this much. This is the L new. L old is the first one. C new is the old is the first one. Now this expression I need to calculate. Let us calculate now. 47 minus 13, that means 34. 34 plus 640, and this is 57, so it should be 17 here in this side, minus plus x, this is minus x, so twice x should be here and E would be here. Twice x equal to 17 plus E. That is the relation that I can find after simplification. Now there are two variables, x and E. Already I know there is data of E and D possibility from our initial solving. What are the possibility? E minimum, it can be 4, at that time D is 2, it is 5, then it is 1, and it is 6, then it is 0. These are the possibility of E and D that we have already solved in our initial set. Now please see that E value will be what, so that this is solvable. You can say that left hand side is even, as it is twice x. So right hand side 17 plus odd need to be, then only it can justify. So E odd, only one value is possible. So this is the value 5 1 set only satisfy the given condition. It is very important part of it. That means our 2x is equal to 17 plus odd value 5, 22. So x is equal to 11. X equal to 11 that I have received. At that time, E value need to be equal to 5. At that time, D value need to be 1 with the given condition. And now the question that I have to solve. After the withdrawal, how many students were enrolled in both C and H? Both C and H enrollment is these two segments taken together. Out of that, all three is 0. D plus X I need to find. So this calculation is D plus X. And D I got it 1 and X is 11. So it is nothing but 12 is my answer. So question number 3, 12 is my answer. Now we can see one interesting fact that next question, it is given that exactly same data of the question number 3. What it has said, due to academic pressure, students who were enrolled in all three courses were asked to withdraw from one of the three courses. That means earlier information. After the withdrawal, the number of students enrolled in C was 6 less than the number of students enrolled in L. That already we have seen that first information. While the number of students enrolled in H went down by 1. That means the given condition, and this is the final statement that I can find. After the withdrawal, how many students were enrolled in both C and L? Both C and L now we need to find. So in this zone, it should be E plus 1 should be our answer. E plus 1. So it is E plus 1 I need to find. And what is the E value I have received? 5. 5 plus 1, this is 6. So answer of it will be option D. So these both of the extra condition for 5, 3 and 4 are same, and we can get both of the answer from here.